In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert a Canva doc into a presentation. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for on your screen. Make sure you're logged into Canva and that you already have your document open, because we're going to start right inside that design. First, look toward the top of your Canva workspace. You'll see a toolbar with different options, and among them there should be a feature called Magic Switch. This is Canva's built-in tool that helps you quickly change your content format. Go ahead and click on Magic Switch. If you don't see it right away, try expanding your options or checking the top menu until you find it. Clicking this is what tells Canva you're ready to transform your current doc into a different kind of design. Once you've opened Magic Switch, a small panel or menu will appear with different transformation options. From here, you want to click on the option labeled Transform. This is the main action that starts the conversion process. Think of it as saying to Canva, take what I already have and reshape it into something new. Give it a moment to load, especially if your document is long or has a lot of elements. Now that Transform is active, look for the three dots icon, usually placed near the options in that same Magic Switch or Transform panel. The three dots often indicate more settings or extra tools that are not immediately visible. Click on the three dots to open up the extended menu. This is where Canva hides some of the more specific transformation choices, including the one we need for turning the doc into a structured presentation. In this expanded menu, you'll see an option called Presentation Outline. Click on that. What this does is help Canva break your document into logical sections or slides. It's especially useful if your doc already has headings, bullet points, or clearly separated ideas. Canva will use that structure to figure out how to organize the content across your slides. After you've selected Presentation Outline, look for the option that says Transform into Doc and click it. Even though you're starting from a doc, this step confirms the format and lets Canva finalize how the content is handled before it's turned into a presentation layout. Once this is done,